How to change delivery address on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to change the delivery address on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this, after opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your account section at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Then you will find your profile just right here. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here, tap on it. Then you will find your saved places just right here. Now here you can see I have saved my home place just right here. Now to change this delivery address, you cannot simply change it from right here. So you need to simply change your delivery address once you order your food. Now go to home section right here. Now tap onto one food that you would like to order, just like this. And by ordering and adding it to cart, you can simply change the delivery address once you order the food. And that's it. This is how you can change delivery address on Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.